This is a NOVINSEN L14 plug and receptacle set, and it is UL listed. So I was sent this to review for free, and if you wanted to purchase it, the set would cost you $20. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so inside the outer box we have two inner boxes. This one here has the plug, and this one here has the receptacle. So these are L14 connectors. They are locking, twist lock connectors. See, there's a keyed entry right there. So you stick it in and then twist to lock. There we go. It's pretty tight the first time. Twist to lock, won't come done. So it does include a turn and pull to lock indication on the back of each of these. Now these are designed for flexible cord, so you're going to want to have some 10 gauge or maybe 8 gauge or 6 gauge cord that goes in here for a connector. So we have basically a neutral, a ground, and two hots. So useful things in this little one-page sheet. You strip the insulation on the cable to 1.6 inches long, and the actual wires you strip to 5/8 inches long. And it says you should tighten the screws to 1.6 Newton meters. Alright, so externally these guys look pretty good. They are very tight, they lock well. So let's open them up and take a look in. Right, so to disassemble, we take these two screws out of the front, and then the plug comes away from the housing. The housing has a wire clamp in there. You have to loosen these screws here to give yourself extra room, and the wire clamp actually has two different sizes. So if you're using 10 gauge wire, you can probably use it with the spacer built in. There's a little spacer in there, but if you're doing like 8 or 6 gauge wire, depending on the size of your insulation and so forth, you might have to remove that spacer. So to remove the spacer, you only need to remove one of these two screws. The way it is shaped, it will fall out and rotate with one screw out, and that keeps your block on the other side in place, so you can put the screw back in and tighten it back up. Now on the plug side, it's basically the same as the receptacle side. We have the various screws, and inside they have a plate. You have to back the plate to one side of the wire, put the wire in, and then tighten the screw, which pulls the plate back into place. This one isn't clear, but essentially it has the same mechanism and separation for those wires. And when you're snapping these back together, they do have a key, so you just set that key in place there. So after you set that in place, put it up, tighten these two screws, pull those screws to tighten the wire in place. Now, so if you need some 13 amp plug receptacles that lock to put on your flexible cords, these guys are a good option.